Just a few hours ago, Jacqueline Ma, the award-winning National City sixth grade teacher accused of having a sexual relationship with a former student, answered to those charges for the first time in a Chula Vista courtroom. CBS 8's Brian White was there at Ma's arraignment. Brian, what did we learn today?
Yeah, parents at Lincoln Acres Elementary were shocked, to say the least, by the allegations of sexual misconduct with a former student by Jacqueline Ma, someone who had recently been honored with the prestigious Teacher of the Year award. I was there when she appeared in court.
Miss Ma, good afternoon. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor, I can hear you.
34-year-old Jackie Ma pled not guilty while appearing over video in court today. She's facing 15 felony counts of sexual misconduct with a minor under 14 years old, including lewd and lascivious acts.
This defendant was obsessive, possessive, controlling, and dangerous.
Ma was first arrested last Tuesday after a parent suspected her 13-year-old child of having an inappropriate relationship with her. She soon bailed out, but National City Police arrested her again Thursday on additional felony counts of sexual misconduct, a witness intimidation charge, and multiple counts related to child pornography.
When she was arrested, she had a photograph of the victim in her wallet. She had jewelry with his initials. Love letters were discovered in her classroom directed at the child.
Ma is being held at the Las Colinas Women's Detention Facility on no bail, something her attorney challenged in court.
She owns and lives in Chula Vista. She's been living there since 2016 when she purchased her first home with her husband. So a flight risk, there is no flight risk whatsoever.
Arguing for no bail, Deputy District Attorney Drew Hart described the inappropriate relationship between Ma and the then 12-year-old child. He said it all began in late December.
At one point when the child was 12 years old, she got him in a position where he was alone in her classroom and started making advances. This victim did not know what to do and reported that it felt surreal.
He went on to describe some of the communications when the victim was no longer a student of hers.
In these messages, the defendant was persistent in sending illicit photographs of herself to the victim and then soliciting the victim to do the same. She would persistently directed him to engage in sex acts while he was at home and to video record them.
The judge denied bail and any pretrial release. If convicted on all charges, Ma could face 29 years in state prison. She's set to appear in court on March 16th for a bail review hearing. Brian White, CBS 8.